according to the thesis statement, again, we go back to the notion of us being
especially since there's evil and suffering in the world, these are not actually
in the world, every human person, boy,
you know
girl,
that,
whatever,
like,
is rooted in really in...
Game? Ayan, konti na lang. Ayan. Cheers! It's finally over. Grabe, can't believe it's finally over.
Oh, teka, relax lang. Ano ba? Ang taas-taas pa ng sikat ng araw mo. Pacing muna tayo, please. Pacing.
Ano? Walang pacing. O game, shot na. 1, 2, 3. The college life!
Everything it has brought us.
Sarap! Galing ko magtimpla.
You know what? At this rate, we'll be drunk by 3 p.m.
Ako, uminom ka nga. I've always wanted to roll around Belfield.
Huh? Bakit? Eh, ang dumi dun, no?
I don't know, you know, parang fun siya eh. Okay?
Okay. Teka. What haven't I done yet? I've never vandalized any of my tables before.
Ano?
Eh,
Bakit?
alam mo yung konsepto ng notes?
Weirdo mo talaga. Di ka ba lang na-tempt mag-reply sa mga push to eject teacher? Or yung mga, I love you, Chris Chu. Or yung mga lyrics ng My Chemical Romance. Mga Helena dyan. Mga Elena, hindi ko alam, Santa Clara, ano?
Memorize mo Eh, teka, hindi ko lang kasi nakita yung point. Bakit ka naman kasi magsusulat dun sa table?
Ano ka ba? The point is to leave a memory. Diba?
Wow! Ang galing mo naman mag-defend about something considered as a crime. Vandalism.
I think the alcohol is getting to me. Actually, konti na nga lang. So, ubusan na lang muna natin to. I have some more in the ref.
Okay.
So, after my gut-wrenching speech, convinced ka na ba? Ako, gugulong ako sa Belfield. At ikaw, dapat sumulat ka. Ay, nako. Wala nang Come on, Alex, okay? It's gonna be your ultimate act of reckless abandon.
Wait. Sige na, game. Basta ikaw gugulong ka talaga dun sa Belfield.
Fine.
Look at it somewhere else. Ano yun? Gusto ko kasi teka lang, dapat tayo sinusundan ng guard.
Alex.
Game takbo!
Bags in plastic hearts, all our belongings in shopping carts. Goodbye. We got one more night.
Grabing hassle talaga magka-hold order.
Eh, ikaw ba naman kasi, wala kang ID. Eh, di ba nag-orals ka?
Sorry na ho, okay? Sorry na.
Anyways, you know what? I think I'm ready for my first brush with crime.
I'm sure a little scribble on the table isn't considered a crime, no?
Eh, paano kung nahuli ako?
Ha? Ang chicken-chicken mo talaga. Ay nako, halika. Mag-trike na lang tayo papuntang Bell, okay? Para sa'yo, para deserted, para hindi ka matakot.
Fine.
Wait! Oh my gosh, Alex.
Ano na naman yan?
Ituloy-tuloy na natin yung excitement ng araw na to. Alex,
Oh.
have you ever driven a trike?
No? No. Uy! Oh. Ano naman?
Kuya, pwede ho bang masubukan ng kaibigan ko mag-trike? Kasi dati pa namin gusto eh. Tapos mag-graduate na kami. So, ano ba yun? Yan, delikado. Sobrang short lang, hanggang Bell lang. Super sandali, super naman. Singer naman.
Sige na nga. Basta sagot yung pagmahuli tayo.
Ayan! See you, Alex! Tada! Dahil sa akin, pwede ka na mag-drive ng trike.
Eh, sino ba naman nagsabing gusto ko magmaneho ng trike?
Ano ka ba? Dali-dali lang yan, no? Para ka lang nagbibisikleta na may motor, tapos may sidecar. Ay,
Sana hindi tayo mahuli.